fastest install video ever. Today, Kevin and I, mostly Kevin, I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna sneak over and work on the old man, are gonna put some Warn Hubs that we got from Wild Horses on Frank. Why Warn Hubs? Why not?
Why not?
They're awesome.
They're heavy duty.
So if you've never put these in before, this is your video.
Today we're going to be taking out these old hubs. They still work great, but they're starting to lose their go. I've lost the O-rings. It's just time to upgrade. Our friends at Wild Horses sent us their Warn Hubs, part number 8805 right here. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Simple install if you've never done it. What we need is a if I could read that.
Getting old.
7/64 Allen wrench and something to pull a snap ring with. All right, let's go. So I'm just pulling the old hubs out. There's our hub assembly. Now we've got a snap ring in here that we need to pull out. Well, that came out easy. Snap ring. We're not using the small snap ring because we've got the disc brake conversion in here. What I find sometimes it's easiest just to put two screws of the old hub back in there. Just get them started. And that should walk your parts out. There we go. There's our old hub assembly. Now for the install. These are super simple. This piece is, you got to find your slots. Walk it in. Get your snap ring in there. Just verify it's in the slot. Oh, there's clicked. Find your screw holes, line them up. Tap it in, just like Happy Gilmore. Tap.
Just tap it in.
Tap it in. Get it started. And just get your others in there. I like to get top and bottom, and then I do the star pattern. Just like we talked about before, anything you can do in a star pattern, you're better off doing. Before you go any farther, you should just check and make sure that they operate smoothly. All the way to locked. Locked. Nice arrows, they tell you. This is a full spin kit. This isn't a quick click kit. All the way to free. There you go. Tighten it up. You're pretty much done. Ed's over there working on the old man, trying to get the old man ready for the Inland Northwest Bronco Stampede. Same thing I'm doing with Frank. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Get these 8805 premium Warn Hubs from Wild Horses. See you guys next week.
Please like.
Please follow. Please subscribe.
Say you need?
Longer bolts. Stored in my life. I always need something longer.
Well, you just always need more bolts.
I do. Transmission's in. 6R80 adapters in. Stoked. It's gonna make noise soon. Happy.
But you didn't buy the right bolts.
You really doing this to me?
Yup.